Hi, welcome to the Danville Public Library. This week we're talking about snow. Do you like snow? I do. I love to see it on the trees and on the ground, how pretty it is. There's snow candy, there's snowmen, there's snowballs, all kinds of fun things to do in the snow. So don't forget to pick up your craft this week. It has a little thing about how snow is made. It also has some fun things to do with snow. There's a kind of like word search, winter Sudoku, a word ladder, all kinds of fun things to do. And just pick those up at the library. And of course, it includes directions on how to make your craft. And inside you will find small circles, big circles, a little orange triangle, and a piece of string. So the first thing you're going to do is take your piece of string and fold it in half, and then you want to make a knot at the end of the string, not on the loop side but where the ends are. So we're just going to make a little knot here, just like that. The next thing that you want to do is fold all of your circles in half. So just go ahead and take every one of these circles and fold them in half. And in case you're wondering, that's about 16 circles because there's 8 of each size, 8 small ones and 8 big ones. And you just continue to fold and fold and fold until they are all folded. Once they are all folded, then the fun begins. You need some kind of glue or adhesive, like a glue stick or some glue, something like that. And what you're going to do is you're going to take one of these circles that you folded in half, and you're going to glue one side of it, just like this. Lots and lots of glue. Then you're going to put the left half with the right half of the other circle together. So the left half with the right half, you're going to glue them together. And then you just keep doing that where you're gluing the left half to the right half. So you just put some glue on half of the circle and you stick that right to the other half of the other circle, left half to right half. And we just kind of keep doing that. And you're going to continue to, and till you have a nice little stack of 8 circles all stacked together, left half to right half, folded in half, and stuck together with glue. Once you have all 8 circles folded and stuck together like this, then you're going to put some glue on this edge and on the last one of these. You're going to take your string and line up the knot at the bottom just below the end of the circle along that glue on the spines of the circles that you put, and then you're going to take and stretch your circle all the way over the last circle to the first circle, just like that. Only yours will be just like this, a lot fuller, because you'll have 8 circles. And since you did such a good job doing that, you're going to do it all over again with the small circles. You're going to fold all the circles in half, and then you're going to put left circle to right circle. So little glue, and so then it's just left part of the circle to right part of the circle. Together just like that. And we'll do some more glue, left circle to right circle like this. And just one more we're going to do, but you actually will want to do 8 so that you get a nice puffy little snowman. I'm just going to do a couple just so you can see. This one is a little bit trickier because once you get all of your stacks of circles together, you're going to take your little orange triangle, and about the middle, you're going to put just a little bit of glue on the bigger part of the triangle and put it in the middle, like that. And then you're going to put some glue along the spine, glue along your circle. Take the last circle, make it stretch all the way over to the other one, but you want to make sure that you put it, the string goes along the spine, right above the bigger circles, and then you stretch your circle over this way, just like that. And then you have a snowman that hangs. Now, if you want, you can make it a little bit blinger. Like this one has a cute little scarf that I made with some washi tape. And this time I have a little pipe cleaner. And so what I'm going to do is I'm going to take this one and I'm going to kind of twist my little pine cone and make little, well, those are kind of long, so little arms for my little snowman. Anyways, you can put eyes and all kinds of other fun things. So have fun with this, and send us pictures because we'd love to see what you made. Don't forget, the library has lots of fun books to read about snow where you can learn all about it, and we sure miss you. Hope to see you soon. Bye.